Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I didn't post anything on the channel because I've been working towards something, and I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. And today in this video we're gonna do some maintenance on my car. We're gonna do a oil change because it's been 4,000 miles I'm driving the car and I didn't do oil change, and it's time. The reason I do oil change at 4,000 miles is because I run the car with ethanol for the race gasoline, and it's better and it's more safe to do the oil change at 4,000 miles. So we're gonna do a oil change today. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been working on. I'm super excited to show you guys. We almost there, and hope you guys gonna like it. It's gonna be more content on the channel, and let's go. We almost there. You guys gonna be happy, I promise that. Here we go, guys. This is what I've been working towards like last 2 years, and finally I got my own place. It's going to be a dealership and a repair shop. We put this here temporary. The name of the company is gonna be AVP Motors, and this is the office. We're still moving stuff over here, but the repair it's open. This is the office, the 2 desks right here. We're still moving stuff, but for now it's just going to be this. Have more stuff to move, like a sofa here. Let me show you guys the shop. Guys, ready for it or not? We've been working on cars. Like for example, this BMW, we're doing the timing. I have the timing kit right here. We're gonna finish it today. This Chevy, my mechanic is doing the bumper here. Hola, mira, este te compré.
Hey guys.
That's good. This Jaguar, we did a supercharger. It was leaking coolant under the supercharger, and we did the fuel injectors as well. This side we did the fuel injectors, the supercharger, and this hose right here broke, like all the way from the coolant reservoir. I ordered a new one. I just put this temporary for now. We start the car, everything okay, it's not leaking anymore. It was a pretty big job. I can put some pictures, some photos how we did the job right here on this car. Also, we just installed the compressor, the wires all the way around. This is for oil when we do the oil change. We have a microwave there, but this is just temporary, guys. We're still moving here. So far it's like this. I love it. I'm waiting for the timing kit. I have the kit here, but for the tools, because I don't have it, so I ordered it. We're gonna change this today or maybe later on. We took out everything. Got a lot of stuff here, guys. I need to move a lot of stuff. Let me show you guys what we did so far this month. All this we got done. BMW, check timing kit right now. Jaguar supercharger, it's done. Restroom right here for the detail stuff. For now we changed right here, but the music on the background might bother you guys, sorry. Let me go here. The music in the background might bother you guys, but I'm sorry. That's just the mechanic. So he likes to work with the music. I do mechanics too, but more I'm gonna focus on sales. And I'm super excited for this, guys. I didn't post anything on YouTube. I was working towards this. And gonna do some maintenance on the EVO because I've been driving it, didn't do oil change. I need to check the spark plugs and all that, but we'll do slowly we'll do everything. And I'm super happy, guys. I can't wait to make this running and, you know, make the money, help customers, repairs, sales and everything. So yeah, we're just gonna put the car a little bit in the shop, gonna do the oil change, and we'll go from there, guys. So I came here really quick because they were doing construction on the buildings. So I'm looking for some piece of wood or something because my piece of shit car is not gonna fit on the lift because the side skirts is very small. It's like very down. So maybe I'll get this so we can break it and and try to put it there. You know what I mean? Yeah, we'll try to get this. I think this is gonna be enough. So because this thing is too high, my car is not gonna fit here. And the wood I found, I don't have the machine to carry. This is how we do. We're gonna do 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can put all 4 here. Put the car and lift it up. Dirty, man. I just washed it the other day, but it's dirty and inside it's like this fucking car doesn't have a fucking owner. We need to do oil change. Been driving this car, man. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the 2 cars I have for sale, 3 cars I have for sale for now. It's a 2000 Audi A4, Chevy Malibu, Buick Lucerne. The 2000 Audi A4 has very low mileage, 71. That's 52,000 miles, and that's 82,000 miles, guys. Okay. Let's put this beauty inside. Close the door. We got the car on the lifter, guys. It was a little bit hard. We put some wood right there all around, so we won't touch the side skirt. Like, look right here, it's like literally a little bit and they touch. Gonna take the wheels out and do the brake pads right now, both sides. And then of course we'll do the oil change. Actually, guys, we're not gonna change the brakes because they're good. They still have like 40%, so it's better not to change them. I'm gonna put the wheel bar. I'm gonna do it next time. And on YouTube channel con mi carrito, pues.
¿Quién es?
YouTube.
Ah.
¿Ya listo? Va a chorar ahorita. Damn. Guys, look at this, it's fucking black. This is all E85 right here. Been driving it. Oh my goodness. It's so black. That's so bad. So bad.
Lo compró, no lo cambió.
No, lo cambié, le hice muchos cambios.
No sabe manejar, nomás le dio.
We're gonna wait to drain this, then we're gonna take the oil filter. And also I have some rust around here. I'm gonna spray with the undercoating right now. Movelo. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna do the undercoating because it's a lot of rust here and also in the front, the cross member. So I know this is not good, but we're just gonna do it. Recto. Así. Sí. Mira, tiene rust, ¿ves? Lo va a tener después, Brian. Here we go, guys. It's way better. Sorry, I missed that a little bit, but it's way better. It's no more like rust. How you guys? ¿Vas a sacar el filtro?
Vamos a usar este.
Ok, sí lo usamos. Hay que levantar este, ¿no? We're gonna take the oil filter out right now, guys. We put the oil filter. The oil was complete bad. We're gonna get the car down now. Add the new oil. This is so bad. That's the E85 right there. I'm always using the 5W Tori full synthetic liquid moly, guys. The best for me. ¿Ya lo bajamos? ¿Usted puso bien? ¿No va a caer cuando vamos a manejar?
Ahora con la mano.
Está bien. Good. Okay, oil change done. I'm gonna start the car now. I'm gonna lift it up, see if it's leaking anything under or not. Everything looks good. The filter, the bolt bug together. It's good. Mira. ¿Sabes qué es este? ¿Ah?
Desde turbo eso.
No, no es del turbo.